Who doesn't love a perfectly grilled sandwich with that crispy, golden crust and gooey melted center? But let's face it, achieving that perfection with just a regular pan can be tricky, messy, and time-consuming. If you've ever struggled to get that cafe-style panini at home, you're not alone. That's where a sandwich press steps in to save the day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best sandwich presses of 2025, designed to make your lunches easier, faster, and tastier. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5. We have the OVENTE Electric Panini Press Grill, perfect for quick hot meals in just minutes. This compact yet powerful sandwich maker features a 750-watt fast heating element that ensures even cooking every time. The non-stick plates make grilling anything from paninis to chicken strips a breeze, and cleanup is just as easy. Its compact design means it won't take up much counter space, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorms. With simple indicator lights, you'll know exactly when it's ready to cook. The cool touch handle and non-slip feet add an extra layer of safety, while its durable stainless steel body resists rust and wear. Whether you're grilling burgers, sandwiches, veggies, or making a classic grilled cheese, this little powerhouse is versatile, efficient, and perfect for everyday use. At number 4, we have the Proctor Silex Panini Press and Electric Grill, perfect for making everything from classic grilled cheese to juicy burgers. This 1,000-watt powerhouse features a floating lid, allowing it to handle sandwiches of any thickness, while ensuring even cooking on both sides. The 70-inch square cooking surface easily fits 2 large sandwiches or 1 long one. It's not just for sandwiches, grill up chicken, veggies, and more with ease. Cleanup is simple with the non-stick ceramic plates, and the removable drip tray keeps your counters grease-free. Plus, it stores upright, saving valuable counter space. For a quick, efficient, and versatile option, the Proctor Silex Panini Press is an ideal addition to any kitchen. In third place, we have the Chefman Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker, a versatile kitchen must-have. Powered by 1,000 watt, it offers adjustable cooking options with a floating hinge that adapts to any sandwich size from a simple grilled cheese to thick paninis. What makes it stand out is its ability to open 180 degrees for flat grilling, making it perfect for burgers, steaks, and veggies. The cooking surface fits up to 4 slices, great for family meals or quick snacks. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to its non-stick plates and removable drip tray, which keeps your kitchen mess-free. Its compact size makes it easy to store in small kitchens, dorms, or even for travel. The Chefman is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to upgrade their sandwich and grilling game, offering both performance and convenience. In second place is the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker and Electric Grill, known for its versatility and ease of use. This press features a floating lid that adjusts to any sandwich size, making it perfect for everything from grilled cheese to loaded paninis. But it's not just for sandwiches. This press can handle burgers, quesadillas, and even personal pizzas. The top and bottom non-stick grids ensure evenly browned, crispy results without the need for flipping. It's simple to use, with preheat lights that let you know when it's ready, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick surface and removable drip tray. Plus, its upright storage design makes it easy to store in any kitchen. If you're after a reliable, multi-purpose press, Hamilton Beach delivers both quality and convenience. At the top of our list, we have the Cuisinart Panini Press Griddler. Whether you're craving pancakes, grilled cheese, or a perfectly seared steak, this versatile appliance has you covered. Its reversible plates transform it into a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, or even a half grill combo. The adjustable temperature controls ensure everything cooks perfectly, while the non-stick, removable plates make cleaning a breeze. It's the ultimate multitasker, compact, powerful, and built for everything from breakfast to dinner. The integrated drip tray collects grease, promoting healthier cooking, and the floating lid adjusts to any food thickness for even grilling. It even comes with a recipe book to help you get creative in the kitchen. With its sturdy build and endless cooking options, the Cuisinart Griddler is a must-have for any kitchen. From versatile grills to compact kitchen essentials, these sandwich presses offer a range of features to suit every cooking style. Whether you're whipping up a quick lunch or grilling up something special for dinner, the right sandwich press can make all the difference. I hope this list helps you find the perfect match for your kitchen. Let me know in the comments which sandwich presses is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.